Next question is question number 12. Now the question number 12 is you are given a set of triangles. Show that the relation defined as set of triangles T1 T2 where T is similar to T1 is similar to T2 is an equivalence relation. Then construct three right angle triangle T1 with this and side this with side this which triangle T1 T2. Basically we have to show that this relation is equivalence relation. So for a relation to be an equivalence relation, we have to prove that it is transitive, reflexive and symmetric. So let A is the set of all triangles. Then relation is given T1 and T2, both are the subset of A cross A, and T1 is similar to T2, this is given. So for equivalence relation, R must be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now for reflexive एक ट्रायंगल मान ली A में है तो T1 जो है वो R को रिलेट करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि T1 इज सिमिलर टू T1. एवरी ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर टू इटसेल्फ. So T1 it belongs to A. T1 belongs to R implies that R is reflexive. For symmetric, T1 T2 belongs to A suppose. Then T1 T2 belongs to R. मान लिया T1 जो है वो T2 के सिमिलर है. Then we have to show that T2 is similar to T1. So it is obvious that if T1 is similar to T2, then T2 is also similar to T1. सेकेंड ट्रायंगल, पहली ट्रायंगल दूसरी के सिमिलर है, दूसरी जो है वो पहले वाली के सिमिलर होगी. So T1 T2 belongs to R implies T2 T1 belongs to R. T2 T1 represent second triangle and first triangle. First is similar to second is similar to first, so R is symmetric. For transitive, suppose T1 T2 T3 they belongs to A. T1 T2 belongs to R, means T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3 suppose. Then we have to show that T1 is similar to T3. Now from geometry it is clear, if T1 is similar to T2, T2 is similar to T3, then this implies T1 is similar to T3. If triangle 1 is similar to second is similar to third, then 1 is similar to third. So therefore R is transitive also. So this implies that R, which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so therefore it is an equivalence relation. Next is the second part of this question. You are given triangle T1, T2, T3 with the different sides. So if I will check the pair of the triangle whose sides are proportional, T1 is 3, 4 and 5, T3 is 6, 8 and 10. Now you can check these are proportional, 1 by 2, ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So these are proportional. Then the next question is question number 15, in which you are given a relation. In question number 15, you are given let R be the set of a relation 1, 2, 3, 4 given by 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. We have to choose the correct options. रिफ्लेक्सिव है, सिमेट्रिक बट नॉट सिमेट्रिक है, ट्रांसिटिव नहीं है, रिफ्लेक्सिव है, ट्रांसिटिव और सिमेट्रिक, रिफ्लेक्सिव है, ट्रांसिटिव है, सिमेट्रिक नॉट सिमेट्रिक, आर इज सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांसिटिव बट नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव और एन इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. लेट मी चेक. You are given set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Relation R is 1, 2 as it is. So for reflexive we have to check first. A belongs to A, then A belongs to R होना चाहिए. If I will check 1 लिया A में से तो 1, 1 R में होना चाहिए, 1, 1 है. 2 लिया तो 2, 2 होना चाहिए, 2, 2 भी है. 3 लिया तो 3, 3 जो है वो R में होना चाहिए, वो भी है. 4 लिया, if I will take 4 then 4, 4 is also in R. So it is reflexive, all 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 are related to R. For symmetric, if AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. If 1 2 belongs to R, then 2 1 also belongs to R. 2 1 is not in R. 2 1 is not in R, so therefore it is not symmetric. Then for transitive, if I will take 1 2 belongs to R, 2 2 belongs to R, then 1 2 must belongs to AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R implies AC belongs to R. तो 1 2 लिया R में है, 2 2 is also in R, then 1 2 also in R, which is true, symmetric. Let me take one more. 1 3 belongs to R, 3 2 belongs to R, then 1 2 belongs to R. Yes, 1 2 belongs to R. So hence is R is transitive also. So it is reflexive. It is reflexive. It is not symmetric, and it is transitive. So reflexive और transitive है, symmetric नहीं है. R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So option B is the correct option. Thank you.